Today I was really inspired by Scott Barnes. So I'm going to do a full face special event makeup. He has loads of little things that he does, which he uses on his celebrity clients, that I am going to do today and see how I find it. First, you need to prep your skin properly. So I've got a video here showing you how to do it. I'm going to start with NYX Eye Prime all over the lid, and I like to apply just a little bit of foundation here first. There's not like a big gap when you do your eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using the Morphe palette today. This is the 35T, and I'm going to go straight in with a medium colour. Then taking a fluff brush, I am going to really blend this out. I'm going to go in and just darken that crease. And then all the way up to the side. Again, just blend. So next I'm going to apply some Karla Powell Fix Potion just in the middle, and then a little bit in the corners of the eye. Take the mask down. And it's just some metallic pigment. I'm just going to apply some Jane Iredale 24 Carat dust on top and in the corners. Don't worry too much if it looks a bit much at first, because we're going to be going over it. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the Make Brown, sweep it underneath the eyes, and I'm going to smoke that out with a slightly lighter colour too. And I'm going to take some black liner and wing out the edges. So take away your eyes here and create a flick, and then the line matches it. Now I'm not going to go over too far with this, so I'm just going to keep it on the outside edge, and then I'm just going to take it underneath. And personally, I always like to smoke the liner out. So I'm going to take a bit of matte carbon. Be careful with this because it's really messy. Okay, so quick change, dried my hair. So I'm going to start with contour and highlight first. Eyes. This is shade 10. Then I'm going to follow it up with some Iconic because it's a little bit lighter. And I'm just going to sort of half blend this so it's still visible. And make sure we're just cleaning off the eyeshadow nicely. It roughly resembles this, which is scary, I know. This feels a little ridiculous like this, but I can see the process. Just start blending in just ever so slightly. He uses sun cream to get his sort of glow. So let me just put that on first. I don't have the spray one. Obviously it's lockdown, so I can't go and get it. That will do. We'll just look a little bit in or out in a minute. I'm trusting the process. So the idea is that then you go over your foundation lightly, buff it in, and it all sort of blends in together. So I am going to use Nars in Stromboli. I'm going to start blending. Feel like it's coming together. And next, some cream blush. Now, he always uses cream blush because it makes it look like you glow from within, which I agree with. So I'm going to use some powder. A light dust everywhere else. Becca one. This is really dark, so you only need a tiny bit. highlight. Oh, I'm just going to mix a few of them. Right, now I'm just going to take a clean buffing brush and buff all over the face. And this extra step is supposed to make sure everything is extra blended and lovely. You're going to ask me this as I'm on the area. This is a life support scar. I always get people ask me what it is. Okay, so next I'm just going to sort out the brows. So I'm going to use this. So first of all, I'm just going to brush them all up and then just add in tiny little flicks where I want them. I'm just brushing it up. I have laminated my eyebrows, so now they do actually go upwards. The heat also like backcombs mascara like that. I actually really like the effect of it, makes the roots really dark. And I'm just going to pop on some lashes, and he always bends his, makes them really flexible. And then what he does is he takes a new gloss. He does it around the outside rather than the centre of the lip.
And that is the look done.